This is going to be a product review of our new Elite Gourmet 12-cup stainless steel percolator for making coffee. When we were camping, those 51 days out on the road, we had the best coffee because it was in one of those percolator pots that we used. And I realized how much I love the taste, not of drip coffee, but of percolated coffee. So we ordered an electric one.
And today, boys and girls, we're going to use our Elite Gourmet percolator for the very first time. We're going to make percolated coffee. Robust, none of this sissy dripping stuff. We're going to make He-Man coffee. It put hair on your chest. Not you. And this thing can rotate on the base and be separated, so when you pick it up to pour the coffee, you don't have to be dragging the cord around. That's so cool. Tuck the cord in a little bit more. You can use this for a frisbee. It'll just have a little tail on it.
I'm going to do 8 cups again.
What is this, a 12er?
Yeah, the max is 12. But I'll tell you, with percolators, if you make the maximum amount of coffee, you always get more grounds in your coffee.
Well, this is about a tablespoon, one of these scoops level. They tell you to use 4 for 8 cups of coffee, 4 scoops for mild, 6 for medium.
What did you do last time?
6, so I'm going to do 5.
Okay.
Sit on the base.
It takes 10 minutes to perk.
And then when this goes blue, it's done?
Yep.
Hot. So is it done after 10, after it's perking, or no?
After it's perked. And normally they tell you, coffee has a certain amount of oils in the bean. So the best coffee, you want to consume it within 20 minutes after it's brewed. These warmers, one of these coffee pots, they only stay on for 2 hours. And the longer you keep coffee heated, the more bitter it becomes.
So this is done? Yum, tastes good.